Step 1. Trim the die. Step 2. Mark the margin. Step 3. Cover the die in die sealer and let it dry. Step 4. Coat the die with die release. Step 5. Dip the die in the dipping pot, making sure the thickness is at least 0.4 millimeters thick using Degodent modeling wax. Step 6. Add marginal wax and trim to margin using Degodent margin wax. Step 7. Connect the sprue at the top of the wax up using 8 gauge or 3 millimeter Austenol sprues. Step 8. Make the sprue length so that the wax pattern is 1 centimeter below the top of the investment ring. Step 9. Prepare the investment ring and proceed to investing. Degovest Impact is mixed with Degovest liquid or with the special liquid for rapid heating. When these liquids are diluted with distilled water, the expansion can be controlled. The higher the concentration of the mixing liquid, the greater the total expansion of the investment. Pre-mix the powder and liquid for approximately 30 seconds by hand with a spatula in a clean bowl supplied with the Multivax mixing unit. Allow the investment to remain under vacuum for about 30 seconds. Finally, mix under vacuum for about 60 seconds using program number 4. Let the mixed investment material flow into the casting ring under light vibration and carefully avoid the formation of bubbles. Immediately turn off the vibrator after the casting ring has been filled. For induction casting, in this case using the Degodent Degotron Echo, place your ring in the induction machine. Place your selected alloy in a clean, non-contaminated crucible and begin heating the alloy. The alloy will soon be glowing a red-orange. When you see the alloy do its final slump, be sure to cast the alloy within a few seconds. If you wait too long before casting your alloy, the alloy may burn, later causing problems in the porcelain procedures such as cracking or bubbling. For torch casting, set the correct flame size. The inner blue flame, or the reducing zone, should be around 2 centimeters in length. Make sure to heat the alloy completely and uniformly when you are heating the metal. Place your ring in the casting machine. Heat the alloy until the metal slumps and cast immediately. We will now show the correct time to cast star alloy N. Here you see the alloy beginning to slump. It is now in its final slump. The alloy should be cast now. Star alloy C. Star alloy C will also slump. Wait for its final slump. Cast star alloy C now. Cast star alloy soft at this point. After sandblasting and steam cleaning, please do not touch the coping with your fingers. Apply 2 thin, even layers of opaque, making sure there are no gray areas showing through the opaque. Please perform the standard porcelain build-up techniques. Do additional firings if needed. Perform the contouring procedures. The final stage is staining and glazing.